Hello student. তোমালোকৰ ক্লাছটো মই মাজতে ড্ৰপ দিবলগীয়া হ'ল, কণ্টিনিউ কৰিব নোৱাৰিলোঁ যিহেতু ময়ো COVID-19ৰ ভুগিবলগীয়া হ'ল আৰু ভাল পাইছোঁ এতিয়া। আৰু মই ভাবিছোঁ সেইটো কাৰণে তোমালোকৰ বাকী থকা অংশখিনি শেষ কৰিলোঁ। So, মই তোমালোকৰ JavaScript আৰম্ভ কৰিছিলোঁ। So today I am going to start the remaining part of JavaScript, that is from operators in JavaScript. Already we have used operators in many languages. Like in C language we used operators, okay, and JavaScript also use operators in their program. Now let's look how the JavaScript use the operators in the programs. One of the important use of scripting language in HTML is that you can work with various operators and operands and evaluate expressions. Okay student, as you know, operator, what is operator? Operators are the symbols and that are used with operand to manipulate a new value. I think all of you know what is operand. Operand means the data value in between which we use the operator. For example, if you write A plus B, so then A and B, these are operand. These are known as A and B, these are known as operand. Okay? And this plus symbol is known as operator. Okay, so don't got confused between the operand and the operator. Operand are the data value that are used with an operator, and operators, these are nothing. This is a special symbol with a special meaning. Okay, and the JavaScript use different type of operators to manipulate a new value with the help of operand value. You already have an idea about the different kind of operators as discussed in C. Let us discuss how various operators are used in JavaScript. As I told you, we have already used different type of operators in C language. Now, in this chapter, we are going to discuss different type of operators that are used in JavaScript. Okay, so the most common one is arithmetic operator. The first operator that we are going to use in JavaScript, that is known as arithmetic operator. So the arithmetic operator contains the plus operator, the multiplication operator, the division operator, the minus operator, and this is known as modulus operator. I think all of you know, no need to explain all this operator, that is arithmetic operator, as because you have already used these different type of arithmetic operator in C language also. But all of you remember this operator, the percentage symbol, which is known as modulus operator, and this modulus operator is used to show the remainder of a division operation. Okay, and the plus, multiplication, division, and the subtraction, these operators are performed according to the arithmetic operator rule. Okay, now in your book, table number 6.3 that contain the operators belongs to arithmetic operator and description and the example and the output. Okay, I am not going to explain it as because this is very simple and you know all the operation of this operator. Okay, now one thing all of you remember that the arithmetic operators are also known as binary operators. Why these are called as binary operator? Because it takes two operands to manipulate a new value. That means when we use this plus operator, then we use two operand value. A and B, these are the operand. Here in this equation, we use two operand with a operator, which is the plus operator, which is belong to arithmetic operator. And as because this arithmetic operator use two operand value in an expression, so that this is also known as binary expression or binary operator. Okay. Now, in your book, there is a program, and that program going to explain the use of different type of operator. That is the arithmetic operator. That is plus, minus, division, multiplication, and the modulus operator. So, student, please look at the figure number 6.7. So, I am going to read the program for you. So, the HTML script, the JavaScript start with the document type HTML, after that HTML, and inside the body we are going to write the main program. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 variables are declared. As you know that variables played a very important role in a program, as because these variables are used to hold the memory space for data storing purpose. Okay, and we are going to declare the variable in JavaScript program using the var keyword, var. After that you give a space and you declare you can declare more than one variable against that var keyword, but you have to separate them by comma operator. Okay, so here in this program 5 variables are declared using the comma operator, and before that we are using the var, and as because the var keyword is used to declare the variable. After that, assignment, that means the variable that we declared in this program, we are going to assign some value. Okay, and for assigning the value, we are going to use the assignment operator, which is write down by using the single equal symbol. Okay, so here look at the figure number 6.7. So A equal to 5 semicolon, B is equal to 10. That means we already declared a variable, that is A, and inside the A we are going to assign a value, that is 5, and inside the B variable we are going to assign a value, that is 10. After that, C is equal to A plus B. That means C is a variable that is going to store the addition value. That means in the first expression we use the operator of arithmetic operator. Okay, so C is equal to A plus B. After that, D is equal to A minus B. E is equal to A into B. F is equal to A divided by B. And the last one is Z is equal to A modulus B. So here, as because we are going to show the result by using the different type of arithmetic operators. Okay, so for that, after declaring the variable, I assign value with variable A and B. After that, I write here in the program the formulas are written for find out the result. After that, the next one is document.write. As you know, the document.write statement is used in JavaScript program to display message or display the result on the screen, output screen. So that document.write within round bracket and quotation mark, addition is equal to within quotation mark plus C plus then break, BR for break. That means the break tag is used to break the line. Okay, after the document.write, use the subtraction, then document.write multiplication, document.write division, and document.write the modulus. Okay, by using the document.write statement, we are going to display the result of addition, then subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus operator. Okay, so end of the script, end of the body, and the end of the statement. So student, I think all of you clear about this program. This is a very simple program. So you look at the figure that is 6.7. The program very clearly, I think it is easy for you to understand. Okay, after that, look the figure number 6.5, 6.8, the output screen. There you notice that addition is equal to 15, as because we assign A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10. So that's why the addition is 15. That is 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. Then subtraction is 5. There is a minus 5, as because according to the formula we write A minus B by B holding a big number, so that the minus symbol is appear on the output screen. Then the multiplication, division, and the modulus. And then look at there, the modulus is 5. Okay, so these are the answer. So this is a very simple program that display the result by using different arithmetic operator in our JavaScript program. Okay, next, the operator that we are going to use, that is arithmetic operator precedence. So before going to discuss some new operator, now let us discuss the arithmetic operator precedence. That means, what do you mean by precedence? If you have more than one arithmetic operator in an expression, the operators are evaluated in a predefined order called the operator precedence. That means, in some expression, if you use more than one operator, and then the computer going to evaluate the operator according to their priority, and which is known as precedence, operator precedence. Okay, so the first one, that is brackets. So the first priority that is given to the brackets. After that, multiplication, division, and modulus. After that, addition, and last the subtraction. So this is the precedence of operator that is followed by the JavaScript. The expression is solved from left to right. In case of equal priority, the operator that appear first will be solved first. So look at the point number 2, that is operator precedence, multiplication, division and modulus. These three operators are having same priority. So that when the computer encountered this type of operator having same type of priority, then the precedence of operator is given to that operator that appeared first, that is from left to right. Okay. After that, so here is a program in the figure number 6.9. That program is used to show the use of operator precedence. Okay, student, you look at the program very carefully. This is very simple to understand. Now look at the output screen. So the first one is 5 plus 6 modulus 2 is equal to 5. As because no brackets are here, so that first the modulus operator is evaluated first, as because modulus operator having first priority than the plus operator. So 2 3s are 6, as because the remainder is 0, so 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. After that, in the second equation, 5 plus 6 within round bracket modulus 2. So here the answer is 1, as because the 5 plus 6 which is put inside the bracket, so that the computer evaluate the expression 5 plus 6 first, then it will divide the that is 5 plus 6, that is 11 modulus 2, the remainder is 1, as because 2 5s are 10 and remainder is 1. So it is very simple. So you look at the program very carefully, and I think all of you clear, as because the program which is written here, it is so simple. After that, increment and decrement operators. So these two operators are also used in C++ program. We have already used these two operators, increment and decrement operator. The plus operator, this is known as increment operator, and the minus, this is known as decrement operator. The increment operator is used to add an additional 1 to the variable. So if you write a is equal to 5, so after that a plus, the value of a will become 6, because after here I use a plus, initially the value of a is 5, after using the increment operator plus, this operator increment the value of a by 1. So the minus, which is used for decrement operator, this is just opposite of increment operator, it will deduct 1 from the variable. That is, initially a is 5, if you use a minus, then the answer will be 4. So the increment and decrement operator are unary operator, as because this is known as unary operator because it takes only one operator. Look at here, I use a minus, so it use only one operand. Binary operator use two operands, but this operator use only one operand. So this is known as unary operator. The increment operator plus increase the value stored in a variable by 1. The decrement operator minus decrease the value stored in a variable by 1. So here is a table that is 6.5 that explain the use of increment and decrement operator, that which is already explained here. So plus plus operator, increment, a plus plus, result is 11. So if initially a is 10, then the increment operator increase the value by 1, that is 11. So if the a is 10, then after using the decrement operator, it will deduct 1 from the a, that is 10 minus 1, that is 9. Okay student, I think all of you clear the increment operator and decrement operator, the arithmetic operators and the precedence of operators, and how to write a JavaScript program, which is already explained in your book. So all of you look at the program very carefully, and that will help you to understand the program. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.